What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Boosted Beards. It's me, my boy B back there.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing?
All right, so today we got a little surprise. B's been looking for a little daily for a while, so we're about to head over to go pick it up. We're not gonna say what it is right now. Let's give it a minute. But we just want to show you a little projects that we got going on right now. This is going to be B's build motor and a little spare that we got going. So this is B's motor. That nice wrinkled black. I actually love the way that shit looks. Trans, actually another spare motor. So definitely stay tuned. Oh, there it goes. Look at the big boy. So yeah, stay tuned. A whole lot more content today. We're gonna be chilling all over the place. Let's go get this motor.
All right, pulling up to pick up the surprise. Couple more minutes, we'll be right there. Stay tuned.
Let's see what's gonna be my boy's new daily. Here she is, YouTube. New.
That's all right.
Here she is. A surprise. Another GS.
Surprise family.
What do you guys think?